Is the BIA the final appeal in U.S. immigration court? Imagine facing a tough decision in your immigration case and wondering if there's anywhere else to turn after the Board of Immigration Appeals. Many people ask if the BIA is the last stop in the process. The answer is not straightforward, so let's walk through how the system works. When an immigration judge makes a decision about your case, like whether you can stay in the United States or need to leave, you can appeal that decision to the Board of Immigration Appeals. The BIA reviews the case mainly through written documents, not oral hearings. They look at the record from the immigration judge and decide if the decision was correct. The BIA's decision is binding on immigration judges and the Department of Homeland Security, meaning they must follow it unless it is changed later. But the BIA is not the final step. If you disagree with the BIA's decision, you can take your case to the federal courts, specifically the United States Courts of Appeals. These courts review the BIA's decisions and can decide to uphold, reverse, or send the case back for more review. The Courts of Appeals are part of the federal judicial system and have the authority to look at whether the BIA followed the law correctly. Sometimes, after the Courts of Appeals make a decision, a person might ask the United States Supreme Court to review the case. The Supreme Court only accepts a small number of cases, and they are very selective. So, while the BIA is an important step, and often the last administrative review, it is not the final word in immigration cases. If you lose at the BIA level, you still have options to challenge the decision in federal court. It's important to act quickly because there are strict deadlines for filing appeals. Usually, you have 30 days from the BIA decision to file a petition for review with the Federal Court of Appeals. If you are unsure about your options or how to proceed, talking to an immigration lawyer can help you understand the best steps for your situation. Remember, the layered system of appeals in U.S. immigration law is designed to give everyone a fair chance to have their case reviewed. Knowing that there are multiple levels of review can give you hope and help you plan your next move if you face an unfavorable decision.